Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's MOSHEH TV here again. So guys, we are currently at 33 Junction in Onitsha stroke Nkwere environment. So today we want to take a look of all these environment and see what is currently looking like this 2025. So I want to show you guys around, show you both the road. From here we're gonna be heading down to where is it called, we're gonna be heading down to Egerton, close to Onitsha main market. So we want to see what the road is currently looking like, because the road has needed urgent attention which has not been given to the road. So we want to see what is currently looking, if motorists are still making use of the road, if people are actually using the road this 2025. So this is the territory roundabout, and I hope you guys saw that dustbin over there. And another thing I want to talk about is those selling within that roundabout axis. Sorry, I think those things used to happen on Mondays, being sit at home. I don't think those things are happening ordinary day, maybe only on Mondays, because no motorists are making use of those places being today, so everybody is just sitting at home. That's what I'm just assuming. I don't know, but I'm believing it doesn't happen on a normal day, because if it does happen, there will be a lot of traffic over there. So let's just assume it happens only within the Monday sit at home. So from there we are heading down to Egerton, and guys, you can see how the road is currently looking, the way the road are this 2025. All these axes are still motorable and very okay. Very soon we get to the part, there's a lot of some certain spots, minor spots that has a major crack and the rest of them. But actually this particular road, many people have talked about it. Many people have also made video about it, maybe YouTubers. The road actually needs dualization, or even expanding and re-asphalting in order to contain motorists, because over here I can tell you motorists hardly overtake each other on some certain sections. So if you check it out, you can see it for yourself. So the road is becoming more old every day, so it needs urgent attention, because before it gets more worse than this. So that is what I want to bring to the notice of the public. So a lot of people using this particular road knows that the road is not that very good, and during the morning time, which is during morning time on a business hour, not today, because today is Monday sit at home, this place used to be congested. And actually when we get to this particular spot, what you see just now, I thought it was traffic caused by bad road, but actually it was checking point. So but on a normal day, if you got to this place, being it business hour, maybe in the morning stroke evening time, this place used to be congested. In fact, you will regret ever coming here. So that is how this place used to be during that business hour. So it actually need expansion, either they expand it or dualize the road. So that's my own point of view, like what I noticed they should do over this place. So but for me, the road is still some part of the road are still okay. I won't lie, it's still okay. Some part of the road are still okay. The major problem the road has is that it's very narrow. It's very narrow, and due to that the narrow nature of the road, it makes traffic to be on it very well, because motorists hardly overtake each other here. That is the truth. So this is the looks of this particular place this 2025. So we have passed through the housing estate, which I was unable to capture due to too many checking points along that area. And after the checking points, just after one checking point you see another, after one you see another, then get to the army house in front of that housing estate. So I couldn't make any video along that area. So we have already passed the housing estate, heading down towards the a little bridge within this area. Then here now is the Onitsha GRA. So from here, we bypass the stock exchange route, then link back to it again, then head down to Egerton. So I want you guys to just pay a focus, watch the video to the end, and also give us your take, what you think about the road. And if you have been making use of the road, also let us know what you pass through on this particular road when going work in the morning or when coming back in the evening. Let us know your experience applying this road every day of your life. So drop them via comment sections. Let's others also see. And another thing I noticed is that a lot of people know there is ongoing protest, I think within Nigeria or something. But one thing I noticed while exploring Onitsha today, not just Onitsha, I explore many other places, but this is the only place I make video about. I noticed that no protest is actually happening within this environment. No protest, everybody is just doing their normal thing. Those sitting at home are sitting at home comfortably. Those still doing their little buying and selling along the road are doing their thing. KK riders are doing their thing. So no protest is actually going on around this particular environment. Everywhere is very, very calm. So within this environment, so very soon we're gonna be approaching to Egerton. So you see that the place is also bubbling. The place is bubbling, actually is getting more hot every blessed day, which shows that the sit at home is no longer that very strict like it used to be before. So this is looks of everything. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, click on the notification bell, and as well share to get to more wider audience. And we also need your comment, what you think about the road.